In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the pages that you follow on LinkedIn. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notifications to this channel for lots of educational guidance and content like this. For you to be able to see the pages you follow on LinkedIn, what you're going to do right now, head over to your LinkedIn, right? Click on my network. Once you have clicked on my network, wait for it to load up. Once it has opened up, you're going to see this. You're going to see connections, following groups, events, pages. So you're going to click on the pages right here. Once the pages has opened up, right, you're going to see a whole lot of options right here, right? So we are going to see the pages I'm currently following here on LinkedIn. So I'm following Tesla, I'm following LinkedIn, I'm following the number one, right? So you can see this is basically how you can see the pages or check the pages that you follow here on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please share thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna see you all in the very next